Greetings traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Wednesday, October 14th, 2009, and all kinds of good things are happening in the markets today. The big news, the Dow closed above 10,000, putting us at 10,015, up 1.47%. The NASDAQ up 1.5%. The S&P up 1.75%, putting us above 190. Approaching that 1090, approaching that 1100 area. Retail sales came out this morning and they fell 1.5%, which beat estimates. And the Fed didn't say too much because I assume they don't want to cause the market to crash. The dollar had a big drop today. Let's see if I can show you that. 1 second here. Sorry about that. Here's the dollar chart. Look at this drop in the dollar today. There recently has been some correlation in the dollar and equities, and the dollar has been showing weakness while the equities have been showing strength. So this drop helps confirm the upside in stocks today. But I want to take note of the VIX. Normally when we see a move in the markets, we like to see the VIX move the opposite direction about 3 times the move the markets had. So for example, today we had 1.5% move up in the markets. We would have liked to see a 4.5% drop in the VIX. However, the VIX barely moved today. It's really important to note that the VIX is still hovering near this 23 mark and didn't really drop while the markets rallied. That's a point of concern. Another note is that there's this little end of day pop, which is kind of comforting. Tomorrow, leading into tomorrow, should be strong as long as news overnight stays comfortably positive. So that pop definitely helps confirm that tomorrow should be a good day as well. Like I said, if we pop back into this rising wedge formation, we could see 1100 on the S&P really fast, and it looks like we might be getting there even tomorrow. Expect a little more upside here until we meet our next area of resistance, which should be around 110 on the SPY, and then after that we have 120 as major resistance. So there's definitely some potential upside here, and we're above a lot of resistance lines as well as all the moving averages. Things are looking positive. Let's go into my personal trading here and talk about some more technical analysis in general. This morning I saw that things were going to look good today, so I finally capitulated my bear position that I had going here. I sold most of my SPXU for a loss, but then picked up some UPRO, which is the opposite of SPXU, which is a triple leveraged ETF that tracks mirrors the performance of the S&P. So I made some money with that today, and I'll hold that as long as we stay bullish. A couple trades I took today. Mesa. We have a few symmetrical triangles going on here, and then let's clean this up a little bit. Today Mesa broke out on strong volume, and that was enough to let me take a small trade in that. EDAP also broke out of its symmetrical triangle or bullish pennant on strong volume, so I took a small trade in that as well. And MPG also broke out of my pennant formation here that I love so much on very strong volume. Keep in mind all of these position sizes are very small, and that's to help balance the risk and reward ratios, and I could lose the entire position and not even care. That's how small they are. That's it for today. Look forward to another video tomorrow. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.